guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys, and you know what that means. I'm going to share to you the latest Louis Vuitton bag collection. I'm going to provide you all the information that you need to know. Yes, from names, prices, product codes, SKU, and launch dates. All you need to do is just kindly ready your phones and laptops to take a screenshot. And for pre-orders and availability, kindly check the website and your CAs. So guys, I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Looking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lates, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, so we are going to discuss the women's fall winter 2025 runway collection. So first we have the monogram saga, the Nice BB. Price is 2,290 USD. So the monogram saga, the material of this one is cowhide leather trims with embossed monogram, black glossy catskin trims, and the colorway is acajou brown, detachable key clochette with gold hardware. Love that bag. Next we have the Speedy Trunk 25. Super beautiful bag, price at 3,300 euro or 4,150 USD. Still monogram saga with having the materials of cowhide leather with embossed monogram, and it has a black glossy calfskin trim. It has fully detachable leather strap as we can see here, and I love, of course, the trunk detailing of the Speedy. First, we have the side trunk size MM. Price is 3,700 euro or 4,600 USD. We have SKU here. So it would have the same features and same material. So the colorway of this one is acajou brown. Again, apologies for the mispronunciation. So it comes with detachable top handle and detachable crossbody leather strap. Then we have a travel size Keepall 45. Price is 3,900 euro. So same colorway, acajou brown, and same material. I love actually the material of this one, which is the cowhide leather with embossed monogram, and the trims is a glossy calfskin material. Of course, it would come with detachable straps, and it would come with bag tag and key clochette as well. Then guys, we have the Capucines BB from the Runway collection. So these are the details. Price of this one is 7,600 euro or 8,700 USD. Material is velvet leather with cowhide leather trims. Of course, it would come with detachable leather strap, and this is the interior. The lining is made of leather as well. Next, we have Capucines Mini. I love the embroidery detail of this mini size. Super cute and super beautiful. Price at 7,000 euro or 8,100 USD. Material is leather, and then of course it has the embroidery detail of the leaves, like the flower buds. It comes with gold hardware with detachable leather strap. Next on the collection, so we have the Lantern Trunk. So this one price at 20,000 euro. Do you remember this, guys, during the runway show? Because of course I do. So here are the details of the Lantern Trunk. So it comes with, of course, gold hardware. I love the detachable top handle, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this may come with detachable leather strap. Hi guys, thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now, guys, to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you, guys! Next, we have another lantern trunk, this one in the black colorway. Price of this one is 20,000 euro or 24,200 USD. So raise your hand if you are going to purchase this lantern trunk. So we have SKU here. So the material, of course, it has a cowhide leather trims. It comes, of course, with a silver monogram canvas. So these are the close-up details. So what do you think of this one? Next on the collection, actually a different collection now. So we have the Capucines BB. Price of this one is 8,150. So the launch of this one is anytime August 2025. We have SKU here. So this is the interior. So the material of this one is canvas with cowhide leather trims, and I love, of course, the embellishment of the rhinestone on the front side of the Capucines BB. Next, guys, we have the pyramid boat chapeau. Again, apologies for the mispronunciation. We do have SKU here. For the price, kindly do stand by. So the boat chapeau, so these are going to, you need to purchase these as a set. So it comes in 3 different canvases. So we have the Dame Azure, the Dame Eclipse, and of course the Dame Ebene canvas in small, medium, and large sizes. Super cute. And then of course we have the Avenue size PM. Price of this one is 2,700 euro or 3,350 USD. So the body of the Avenue bag is made of empreinte leather. Of course, it comes with embossed monogram detail. So that is the interior. Love the colorway of this one, like a light beige colorway. Of course, it would come in my personal favorite in black and gold combination. So the Avenue PM is priced at 2,700 euro or 3,350 USD. Material is empreinte leather with embossed monogram with cowhide leather trims. What I love about this one, it comes with fully detachable and adjustable crossbody strap. It would come with bag tag as well. Next on the collection, so it would come in the size PM. So this is a little bit bigger. So price of this one is 2,800 euro or 3,450 USD. We have SKU here, M25575. So it comes with same features, empreinte leather with detachable leather strap for easy wear of the bag. Then guys, we have the Kuzan size BB. Price of this one is 8,450 euro. We have SKU here and 88069. And the reason why this is a lot more expensive is because the material is ostrich leather with cowhide leather trims, detachable and adjustable leather strap with silver chain strap as well. Did you enjoy our episode for today? So guys, among the bag selection that I have showcased for today, which ones are your favorite? Kindly comment down below. And if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a credit card emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!